Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 9th of February 2022, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So firstly, as we head into a new week here, of course, we've seen China come back from their 1 week public holidays. With that, at the start of the week, we've immediately seen the metals catch a bid here as anticipated. Gold prices, they're broken out to 1,828 US dollars per ounce. With that, we've taken actually this opportunity to lock in now 840 points profit, benefiting from the recent dips that we had on gold whilst China were off on their 1 week public holiday in order to buy in at lower prices, particularly following on from the FOMC statement that we had earlier in the month. So with that, we've been able to benefit here, locking in 840 points profit. So of course, for every 1 lot contract that you'll be trading, that's $8,400 of profit. For every 10 lot contract that you'll be trading, that's $84,000 of profit. We talked you through this previously, that look at the dips over the course of China being on their 1 week public holiday and after the European Central Bank announcement last week as well, and non-farm payroll, that dip low that we had over the last week, giving you some great opportunities to again build in at lower prices. Now, with respect to this week, and in terms of what we're looking at here on gold, currently we are seeing resistance residing around 1,828 US dollars, up to around that 1830 to 1835 region. This would be a very key level for gold at the moment. If we cannot break above this zone, we could easily come all the way back down towards 1800s, possibly even 1790 over the course of this week, if gold cannot breach above that 1830 to 1835 zone. Again, we've taken the opportunity this week to lock in more profits here at the highs in order to capitalize on any further pullbacks that we may well get later on this week or as we go into next week as well on the metals. Now, one of the key news items to look out for is going to be Thursday's CPI data. That is expected to show the biggest increase in over 40 years. And this, of course, could be a major catalyst for explosive moves later on this week. So again, that's Thursday, the CPI data. Expectations are for that figure to come in at 7.3%, which of course will be the highest level since the early 1980s. So all eyes will be on that later on this week. We've also seen some massive breakouts over the course of the last week here in energies as well. Oil prices breaking above 93 US dollars per barrel. As we mentioned with you last week, we've capitalized on this, banked a windfall amount of profit for 6,500 points. Oil prices, they're now up over 25% year to date. So we've seen some explosive moves on energies over 2022 so far. As we continue to see inflation ramp up, this is creating a perfect environment for a commodity super cycle, which you can benefit from massively. Right now, what we're tending to see out there is many traders, they keep buying at the wrong point in these cycles. They end up FOMOing in, getting their delayed confirmation using technical analysis. As you know, technical analysis does not work. You'll end up getting chopped up all the time. It will be death by 1,000 cuts, and essentially you will get crushed if that is all you're using, because it will give you zero edge. This is where you want to be utilizing data, market intelligence, statistics, learning the daily, the weekly, the quarterly cycles for each commodity. Alongside that, the capital flows and of course the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, key areas of liquidity which are targeted for commodities, and of course learn the fundamentals, the macroeconomics, the geopolitics which affect each commodity, and then learn and understand how the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions are positioned in real time. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.